Welcome to Serbia, a country with a history as turbulent as it is fascinating. Once the heart of Yugoslavia, Serbia endured years of conflict, including NATO bombings in the late 1990s. But today, it stands as a proud and beautiful Balkan nation. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Serbia is a crossroads of cultures and history. Despite its small population of just under 7 million people, Serbia's influence is undeniable and its spirit unbreakable. From the capital city of Belgrade to the charming towns of the countryside, Serbia offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity. And of course, it's home to the intriguing Serbian language, a mix of Slavic roots and a dual alphabet system.
So this month we had to switch things up a little bit because we had to cancel Italy. We couldn't find the right partners, so we moved on to Serbia. And to be honest, I could not be any happier. The people, the food, and this unique language that they have is a perfect destination for 12 languages, 12 months. So let's study Serbian.
I wanna roam across the globe, make new connections on the road. Let's visit 12 countries on this planet, yeah. It won't be easy, but I know I can succeed if I hold and immerse myself in every language, yeah. China, Japan and Korea, Indonesia, Kenya and Jordan. I just can't wait to understand. Join me on this language escapade. I'll study all the words on each page. Oh, it's a new adventure every day.
We are in Albania.
I can learn your words and your ways. Get ready for a cultural embrace. 12 languages, 12 months. I'm gonna make friends.
Yes, of course. It's visible.
Yes, it is.
To learn. If we make it fun, then we can manage. Yeah. Italy, Germany and France, Brazil, Colombia, the United States. I just can't wait to understand. Join me on this language escapade. I'll study all the...
This week, I'll be diving into Serbian with 3 main tools. The website sarbonica.com, which offers a structured approach to learning Serbian. My Serbian teacher, Haris from iTalki, who tailors his lessons to my specific needs. And my friend Kate, who will help me practice Serbian in a real-life setting with her community in Zaječar. I started with sarbonica.com, a website that makes learning Serbian accessible and fun. The first level is free, but after that, you'll need a subscription. Level 1 covers the basics, introductions, greetings, numbers, and essential phrases. It's a great way to ease into the language.
So really, if you want to learn Serbian, get on sarbonica.com. It's really cool. You have A1, A2, B1 and B2 levels, and this is what I've been using so far in A1. It's really good, and it checks your progress. So now I just entered A1.2, so I'm just at the beginning. Mesta, places. So let's go.
Biblioteka.
Biblioteka. Library.
Škola.
Škola. School.
Svaki dan ljudi negde idu. Deca idu u školu, odrasli na posao, studenti na fakultet.
Svaki dan ljudi negde idu. Deca idu u školu, odrasli na posao, studenti na fakultet, penzioneri u šetnju, turisti na odmor. Danas ja idem u grad u kupovinu. Moj muž ide u banku. Gde vid idete? Serbian uses 2 alphabets, Cyrillic and Latinica. While Cyrillic is the official script, Latinica is widely used, and that's what I'll start with for now. My Serbian teacher, Haris, is based in Novi Pazar in the west of the country and teaches through italki. His philosophy is simple: every student learns differently, so lessons should be tailored to their goals. For me, that means focusing on conversational Serbian, what I'll need to survive this month's challenge.
Держава Kina. Ja volim da učim strane jezike, govorim znam da govorim nekoliko stranih jezika, kao francuz jezika, stranih jezika, kao francuski, španski, japanski, kineski i svahili. Imam 41 godinu. Drago mi je što smo se upoznali.
Okay, Anthony, great.
My days were packed with Serbian lessons. Between Serbonica, Haris classes, and practicing on my own, I was fully immersed. Each day, I felt a little more confident.
So when do you use vijeti? Yeah.
Zaječar is a charming town in eastern Serbia. Kate, my friend and host, runs a youth educational program called Hakuna Matata, which helps young people build skills for the future.
Here you are.
I'm coming to my friend's house, Kate, and I'm going to try to test out my Serbian level with her. I haven't seen her in years, so I'm really excited. Let's go and knock out the door.
Ej, gdje si, Anthony?
Dobro jutro,
Kućo stara, dobro jutro, gdje si, zdravo. Izvolite, uđi.
Hvala ti.
Mora da ti je hladno.
Kako si?
Odlično, kako si ti?
Nisam loš, hvala na pitanju.
Bravo, pa tvoj srpski je odličan, čoveč.
Ali nije lako.
Nije lako, mora da si umoran. Ajde, skini torbu pa polako uđi da se zgreješ.
Okej.
Ajde, uđi.
Može. Važi.
Da.
Šta je ovo?
Šta je ovo? Pa vidiš, ovo je slatko.
Slatko?
Od smokve sa mog imanja i svaki put kad nam dođe gost.
It's for the guest,
Yes,
right? Tradition.
to je, da, ovo je srpska tradicija.
Razumem.
Izvolite, uzmeš jednu kašičicu, but only one spoon. I izvolite čaša vode, pošto je slatko mnogo.
Vode.
A ovo su
Čokolada.
tradicionalne, dobro, čokolada to nije toliko tradicionalno, ovo su vanilice i salčići, to je isto tradicionalni slatkiši naši, srpski.
So that's jam. It looks like, I don't know.
Like, not really a jam, but very, very sweet jam.
Okay.
Slatko. We call it sweet.
So, one spoon.
Jedan, yes.
Okay.
You can take more.
More.
Uzmi više, malo više.
Više.
To. Ajde. A, ti se sviđa?
Dobro. Wow, baš
Take
dobro.
some water.
Puno volim srpska tradicija.
Bravo. Ćao svima, ja sam Katarina. Ja živim ovdje u Zaječaru u Srbiji i vlasnica sam Hakuna Matate. Hakuna Matata je sve ono što ja volim i što sam uvek radila i u Kini i u Srbiji. Zapravo sam profesorka engleskog profesorka joge i instruktorka plesa. Ajmo sad da vidimo šta to Anthony zna. I, Anthony, odakle sad dolaziš? Putovao si
Sada?
sve redom? Da, sad, odakle si došao?
Danas, danas dolažim,
Dolaziš? aha.
dolazim od
Dolazim.
dolazim od Beograd.
A, iz Beograda si došao.
Sa moja žena, moja supruga.
Baš lepo. Pa dobro, kaži mi nešto više o tvom projektu.
Wow, moj projekt.
Da.
Trudno, sin mam jezičke video zapise
Bravo.
za YouTube u 12 različite zemalja.
Bravo.
Ti video zapisi su deo projekta u kojem pokušavaš naučim 12 jezika za godina dana.
Ovo je bilo teško, ali sve sam te razumela. Dobro. Svaka čast.
Ali nije lako. Nije lako učite srpski.
It wasn't perfect, but I managed to answer Kate's questions. It felt amazing to actually use the language in real conversation.
What is your advice for us? How could we learn?
Kako učim?
Yes, kako ti učiš
Kako ja učim? I was telling him, right? Yes.
Do you do a lot of writing?
You need to know how you like to learn. First, what is it that you like? If you don't like apps, and we were talking about apps, don't try to learn through apps just because everybody does it. You need to know what is the best way for you to learn. Second, you need to decide which tools you're going to use. And then you need to know how much time you have in 1 week. Let's say you have 10 hours. 5 hours, half is for the main tool, let's say a teacher. And then the other 50% is for other tools. For example, watching a movie, reading the news and writing. So you have to really try different ways of learning, because if you only do one, you get bored.
This was the ultimate test, introducing myself to Kate's community. And while my Serbian was far from fluent, the effort was appreciated and the connection felt real.
Anthony je jako dobar, ali trebamo još malo da nauči. Svakako za nedelju dana je odličan. Ja bi mu dala 8.
Learning Serbian has been such a rewarding experience. It's not just about the language, it's about connecting with people, understanding their culture and stepping out of your comfort zone. Serbia, thank you for welcoming me. This is just the beginning.